arrive in style with this Ram 2019 3500 Chassis Cab SLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: transmission 6-speed auto-Eisen AS69 RCHD, ADD 4.10 axle ratio, tires, LT 235/80R17 EBSW all-season, 4.10 axle ratio, STD, electric shift on-the-fly transfer case included, center stack storage drawer, diesel gray black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat included, 4-way front headrests, gross vehicle weight, 14,000 lbs, max tow package included, 12.0 inches dual-wheel rear axle at 4.10 axle ratio and wheels, 17x6 steel chrome clad. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase.